What is up, my dudes? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jesse, and just in case you're new here, I go hunting for Hot Wheels every single day, and then I crack them open right here on Daily Diecast. Now, today I have 3 premium cars. All of them are excellent. It was hard for me to put them in an order to do them in, because usually I go from the car I like least to the car I like most. But this one's like a 3-way tie. I like them all equally, so let's just start with this one right here. My first premium BMW. Wow, like I was so stoked. This is absolutely amazing. I was amped to get this in the mail, and I still need that white one with green wheels. I want that one so badly. Love this car. Can't wait to crack it open. Oh yeah, and it is from the Fast and Furious Eurofast set. I'm sure you guys already knew that. All right, let's get to cracking. And there we are. One beautiful black BMW M3. Absolutely sick. All black enamel. Check out those taillights and BMW emblem. Awesome. The headlights and the kidneys look amazing. BMW emblem looks fantastic. This is a nice heavy casting. Got rolled down windows and a black interior. There's the flat black metal base. And yes, I am amped to have that in my collection. Super stoked. Cannot wait to get the white one as well. Alright, next one up. This G-Wagon. I told you I was going to get another one, and here it is. From the Furious Off-Road set. Awesome Army Green G-Class. Let's take a look at the back real quick. Oh, that Hummer and the Land Rover would be sick too. I really want the Land Rover. Dang, yes, I need to get that one next. All right, so let's go ahead and check this one out. Oh, yes, look how sick. Wow, this casting is amazing. That Army Green color, like flat or satin, Mercedes-Benz logo on the spare tire cover. Nice tail lights. Those wheels, those tires and wheels are just too amazing. Those are just too sick. Nice side view mirrors, black interior. Wow. I'm so stoked. This car is so sick. Alright, and there it is right there next to my Beamer. And finally, up last, we got this beautiful Aventador Coupe. Also from the Eurofast set. Let's look at it real quick, even though I'm sure all you guys already know. Premium, metal on metal, real riders. Let's get to cracking. Beautiful. Look at this car. It's so sick. Absolutely nuts. That flat black paint, the headlight tampo detail, the Lamborghini emblem, flawless. Let's check out the tails. Also very nice. Flat black base, rubber tires on these awesome 5-spoke wheels. Absolutely nuts. I have the Dark Knight Aventador Premium as well. I really like that one. That was actually my first premium Lambo, and this is actually only my second one. I don't have a lot of premium Lamborghinis. I want them all. Look at this amazing car. Wow, just too fantastic. Look at these amazing premium cars. So sick. I'm so happy right now. I mean, I swear, like cracking open these premium Hot Wheels just puts me in a great mood. And I hope you guys are in a good mood too. Hope you're gearing up and getting ready for the weekend. Nice chilling and relaxing time. And if you are into collecting Hot Wheels, like I am into collecting Hot Wheels, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Again, my name is Jesse, and I post Hot Wheels videos every single day. And I will see you tomorrow.